Good day, it's Edwin at Carver Cabinetry, and today I'm going to show you how we adjust our Berenson garbage pullout. For starters, open your garbage bill. Next, remove the first trash bin. Then use the set screws to adjust your garbage pail. Simply untighten the face screws At this point, you want to untighten all 4 face screws. Then, to adjust your garbage pail up or down, simply adjust the top set screw up or down. When you are done adjusting up and down, check to make sure your drawer is perfectly adjusted. Then, retighten your set screws. Once all 4 set screws are tightened, you can return your garbage pail back into the waste disposal bin.